Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2014 Fiat 500S. Now of course, as standard, you do get your halogen daytime running lights. Then coming around to the side, you get these anthracite grey alloy wheels, of course finished as you can see here. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. But coming around to the rear, you'll notice that we do also have your tail lights just there, reg plate bulbs. We've got sufficient space in the tailgate, even though this is a micro hatch. The seats do fold down 50-50. Then coming out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, you can see we've got two rear seats just there. Into the front, you have your black cloth interior with your red accents along the seats. You've got a 5-speed manual gearbox. Your two front windows are electric. You've got your air conditioning controls in the middle, and then we do have your stereo up top. So you do have CD, FM, AM, and I'm pretty sure you have auxiliary as well, which the port is just down here. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your mute, voice assistant and volume. Over on the right hand side, you do have your onboard computer controls with your Bluetooth hands-free. As you can see, your headlights are on the indicator stalk just there, and your windscreen wipers on the right. But most importantly, this car has only done 68,002 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Fiat 500, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.